Today's commercial vehicles contain complex systems, subsystems, and components. As technology continues to advance, Link Manufacturing stands apart, not only as a provider of suspension solutions, but as an engineering resource that can efficiently accelerate your product development process. OEMs are increasingly expected to innovate rapidly, generating multiple design iterations until all performance, reliability, and durability requirements are satisfied. Link's design and simulation capabilities can play a crucial role, analyzing all aspects of a suspension's design early in the process, providing cost-saving insight before expensive prototypes are built and tested. At Link, we're constantly testing breakthrough technologies, mitigating risk, and managing design complexities in order to optimize safety and performance. Our simulation tools, combined with the insights and experience of Link's engineering team, support a product development process that's both time-sensitive and efficient. Link uses simulation to provide a seamless validation experience, testing the performance and safety of commercial vehicle systems. Our tests consider millions of driving scenarios, coupled with extreme vibration, temperature, and environmental exposures. OEMs confidently turn to Link's dedicated Applied Technology Center to confirm results through our developed lab profiles, which are based on nearly 50 years of compiled road testing. As the world leader in suspensions, suspension controls, and specialty products, Link provides the most advanced suspension solutions available on the market, teaming up to transform your product development lifecycle with agility, control, automation, and collaboration.